Carbon monoxide is known as a silent killer. You can't see it, taste it, or smell it, and it comes from appliances that don't burn their fuel efficiently.
Coal, oil, gas.
Wood burners, barbecues, boilers, all sorts.
The symptoms of CO can be stomach pain or sickness.
Dizziness, fatigue, headaches, and shortness of breath.
All things that could be something else, but can be CO poisoning.
When there's particularly high ppm concentrations of CO, about 15 minutes, very severe symptoms can actually, and even death can happen. Everybody is at risk of CO poisoning, but the most vulnerable groups include people such as young children, pregnant women, the elderly, anybody with respiratory conditions. They would be most at risk.